Dear students, this is the third video of print culture, and we are going to discuss in this video about the print revolution and its impact. So far we discussed how the print emerged in China, thereafter it reached Japan, and finally it reached in Italy, and from it reached to different parts of Europe. We came to know that how it created magic in Europe. Initially, it was a very difficult task because the mechanical device was not there. But later on, with the introduction of Gutenberg printing press, a revolution started in the print culture in European countries. So we are going to discuss mainly about the print revolution that started in Europe with the introduction of mechanical print. Now, with the introduction of mechanical print, it became very easy. It became very easy to go with multiple number of copies. As the copies came in multiple number, the price of the book or the printed material also reduced. Apart from that, the labor cost was also reduced. And the most important thing, with the growing up of multiple copies, more and more readers grew up. They expanded. So here we are going to understand that what was the impact of print revolution in Europe. The first point is written that new reading public emerged or new reading class emerged in Europe. Initially, the book was confined in few hands only. It was confined in the hands of few aristocrats or upper class. Now it was available to the lower class also, middle class also. And the subject matter also changed under the impact of printing press. Now new subject matter was added. New things were added as a content of the book. So here it is very important to understand that in the Europe, with the introduction of mechanical print, new reading public emerged. Second thing, it reached to common person. Now, as I told you, it was confined in the hand of few person only. Rich person was getting the benefit or charm of the book or printed material. Now it was available to the common person. You have to understand, books could now reach to the wider section of society. Now, the content that was available in that book was available not only to literate but also to the illiterate. Here it is written as the third point that the content available to it became available to the illiterate person also. So how it became available to the illiterate person? You'll have to understand that. Now, with the print revolution, the book that were written, it created history. It created new trends. And it was written in such a manner that even the illiterate person could get all the important recipes of that book. I mean to say, the book was written, the practice was started to write the book in such a way that it could be easily translated to the illiterate person also. So you need to understand this fact that the book or the printed material that was subject matter of rich or elite class, now it became available to the poor person or the lower segment of the society. And not only illiterate, but illiterate person were also getting the content of the book, because now book was written in such a way it could be displayed easily to the illiterate person. So this is how the revolution started, and it created a great impact in European society. It uplifted the lowest structure of society and the diverse segment of the society that was completely unaware of the printed material. Now, with the introduction of printing press or the mechanical print, the print material, the knowledge, the information, it became available to the common person also, poor person also. So, this period was termed as the period of information, or it was the period where knowledge was transformed from words to reality. So this is how the print revolution created great impact in Europe. Now, after that, we'll have to understand one more topic is there, that it created a religious debate also. So here we'll have to understand that the print revolution, it created a new class of society, but at the same time it created some problem among some religious group, because in the society diverse groups are living together. As diverse groups are living together, the conflict is bound to happen. So different groups, different religious groups were challenged through writings, through printed material, and as they were challenged, they also came front and they also criticized the new ideas. So I mean to say, the book became the element to criticize as well as to inform the public about the new things, about the good things. So basically in the upcoming topic we are going to discuss about the religious debates, that how books created, how new printed material created religious debates. The old notions, the old concept or the obsolete ideas were challenged through printed materials. Now it was easy for someone to write good points, to write innovative ideas through their writing. And this is how the old practices were going to be challenged. So this created a different critical society, different challenging society. And it was very difficult situation to handle all the diverse sections together in such a period. So book, on one hand, it created a revolution or positive revolution by upgrading the downtrodden people. At the same time, it created debate also, it created conflict also. So two impacts are there. First impact is that it created positive impact by upgrading, by uplifting the lowest class of the society, but at the same time, it created negative impact also by coming into the conflict, and particularly on the religious matter. So we need to understand this in a very careful manner, that how religious things were challenged with the books. So we have to understand and we have to read about the religious debate and about the fear of print. That is the upcoming topic. Print created positive things in the society, and it also created negative things in the society. So we are going to discuss both the aspects. So far as negative aspect is concerned, as I told you, we are going to discuss mainly about the religious discourse, religious debates, and the fear that was created with the introduction of print. Now this is all about the print revolution in this video. Thank you.